How to change your X email address. If you are looking for ways to change email in X Twitter, this video is for you. To change email on X is pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your X app, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile icon and click on it. A list of menus will appear. Continue to tap on settings and support. This will give you a drop-off menu. Make sure to select on settings and privacy. With this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then continue to tap on your account. Under your account, you'll have a list of options, whether you want to change your account information, change your password, download an archive of your data, or deactivate account. In this case, let's proceed to click on account information. And there you are. You have the flexibility to change your email address here. So when you click on it and allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, you'll have to re-enter your password. This is a form of verification on the X space. After entering your password, then you will be able to enter your new password to configure it there. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.